Porcelain tile is a new variety of ceramic tile that many business owners and homeowners aren't all that familiar with. It's known for its strength, durability, and beauty, and is generally thought of as an improved product over the standard ceramic tile. Even though porcelain tile floors are made from most of the same materials like ceramic tiles, they are made better and offer many benefits that other flooring solutions do not. That's why we're taking some time to cover the downsides and benefits of porcelain tile, so you can decide for yourself whether the product is worth investing in or not for your own uses. Before getting into the benefits and drawbacks of porcelain tile, it makes sense to go over what it actually is. It is a flooring solution made from very dense clay that's fired at higher temperature than standard ceramic tile flooring is. Porcelain tile is made from clay and other natural materials blended together and fired in a furnace. It's known for being highly uniform in construction and non-porous. This makes it better for spaces with fluctuating temperatures and a more reliable option for radiant heating solutions. Generally, porcelain tile comes in the same thicknesses as ceramic tile, but it's heavier overall. It is also offered in more shapes and styles than ceramic tile is, which is why some people decide to go with the product. Many people are turned off from using porcelain tiles in their homes or businesses because they tend to be more expensive than other tile alternatives. But there is a reason that the tiles cost more money. There are many porcelain tiles benefits to consider, and all those benefits come together to make a porcelain tile floor highly attractive. Taking the time to get familiar with all the different benefits will make the price tag easier to deal with, and before you know it, you might be happily paying for a porcelain tile installation of your own. Porcelain tile is highly resistant to wear and tends to last better over the years than standard ceramic tile does. That's because porcelain tile has fewer air pockets. It's a denser material, it's more uniform in construction, and tends to be harder and thicker overall than most other tile varieties. Porcelain tile floors are known to last for years, and they are a top choice for business use or in rental properties because of just how durable they are over time. If you want flooring that will hold up to pets well and continue looking good for years, that's one of the biggest porcelain tile benefits that you will enjoy. Your porcelain tile floors are less prone to breaking, and they are designed to hold up really well. Maintaining flooring can be really intensive when you have something like traditional hardwood flooring, or it can be quick and easy when you have something like porcelain tile. Porcelain tiles look great, and they are simple to maintain. Thanks for watching. Until next time.